everyone and Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Day and also Haitian Independence Day. And of course we drink soup joumou that day, which is a pumpkin soup. It means so much to our culture and history. Let's celebrate. Okay guys, let's go to the store with me to grab some ingredients for the soup joumou because today is New Year's Eve and they close tomorrow. So I better, here we are. Okay, this is the most important ingredients, the pumpkin. You must have that in order for it to taste like. Good morning and Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Day morning or noon. Well, morning, yeah. So I'm getting ready to prepare the soup. I am not going to show you everything, so you'll just see a couple of ingredients that I chopped because I didn't have time to record. So we're going to cook it real quick and then we're gonna have lunch. It's lunch.
Hello, I am the husband.
I'm the wife.
Wait.
I'm the oldest.
This is the Haitian soup. We made it every first of the year. It's for our Independence Day. You don't like it.
And dogs eat soup.
Pumpkin soup.
Soup joumou. You say it right.
Yes, dogs can eat pumpkin soup, but only the plain homemade and full chocolate ingredients like onion, garlic, salt, sugar, and spices, especially nutmeg. Nutmeg.
Sit. Perfect.